Today I'm going to show you how to do those cool before and after comparison wipes within Vegas Pro. Yeah, just like that. Alright, get out of here. Up next. Hey, what's up? Thank you so much for stopping by for another episode of Low Nose. This is the place where we help content creators just like you get better and better every single day or video through audio, video, and text. So make sure you hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss out on any future videos just like this one. Okay, so like I said before, we are doing the before and after comparison wipe within Vegas Pro. Man, you know what I'm talking about. Before, when it was just like DVD, now HD, wipe, wipe, compare, or HD, 4K, wipe, wipe, compare, or here's the old movie, now remastered. You know what I'm saying. We're gonna do that right now within Vegas Pro. So fire it up. I know you're thinking right now, let's get the tutorial started. Let's go. Okay, so once you have Vegas Pro open, we're going to create an additional track. So Control, Shift, and Q. That creates our extra track. Now, what we want to do is duplicate this video track right here. Now, normally you would hold the Control button and slide it up and create a duplicate track. But if you do that, you can see how you're actually creating a duplicate of the audio as well. We do not want that. I'm going to give you a little advanced tip right here. Want to go ahead and press the U button, separate the video track from this audio track, then hold your Control button, and you can bring it right up, and we are no longer copying the audio. All right, now, for the quick way to actually do this, I'm going to show you two ways. One is a really quick, easy way, and the next one will have more control of our sliding and our wiping. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to add an effect on the track that we're going to do. The bottom one will be our control track, and the top one will be our effect track. So, let's see here. I've already got, let's just do this black and white right here, right? We'll slide it onto there. You know, already see it's actually making the changes to my video track, and I want to create a point right here, probably like maybe right here. This is where I want my effect to come in. So I'll press S, split my video, and this is where I want my transition or my effect or the difference, the comparison wipe to start. So we're gonna go to our transitions tab, go to Vegas, and we're going to look for a linear wipe. You've got a whole bunch of different linear wipes here with really cool angles and effects, ups and downs, but we're going to do a basic from left to right. I'm going to drag it to the beginning of the track, okay? And then I'll play it and you can see what it looks like. We'll have our control. Today I'm going to show you how to do those cool before and after comparison wipes within Vegas Pro. And then it comes through. Now we can press S again if we want to go back to normal. Press S. That's going to be the end of our effect. I can make it a little longer if I want. And then I can go ahead and add my transition or my wipe going away from it, revealing the normal or the original video clip again. So I'll do the right, left, hard edge. I'll insert it right there. You can see right here when I play it. Today I'm going to show you how to do those cool before and after comparison wipes within Vegas Pro. Yeah, and then it goes out. Now, if you want, you can actually stretch this out and make your wipe even longer. I'm going to show you how to do those cool before and after comparison wipes within. You can see how slow it takes for it to come in. All right, so that's the quick and easy way, but if you want a little more control over your comparison wipes, we're going to do it this. Okay, so we'll start over. I'll hold Control. I will bring my copy of my video up. Let's go ahead and use the black and white again. I will throw that on top of my video. Okay, you can see how our top video is now black and white. The bottom, our control is still there. Okay, now I'm going to find where I want my intro to start. Today I'm going to show you how to do my wipe, comparison wipe to start. So today I'm going to show you how to do those cool before. All right, so the cool, I'll put it right there. So I'll press S. I will cut my video. All right. Okay, and now I'll go to like the first frame of the black and white. There we go. Now I'll go to my event, pan, and crop because we're going to do some masking now. Let's go ahead, go to mask. Click on that. Now make sure that these items are ticked. We're going to use this here, the rectangle or square mask creation tool, and you want to make sure that our move in is X only. Since we're going to be using the mask and we're going to be doing a left to right and then a right to left or vice versa, we want to make sure that this movement is locked in so we're not having any up and down kind of movements. All right, so we're in our first frame right there. This is in. Now from here, I will create my mask. I'll bring a square around all of this. Okay. And then you have the option of a positive or a negative mask. Now, keep in mind, when you have a positive mask, it means that everything underneath this, everything underneath your top layer that you are using here within your event, pan, and crop, everything underneath that will be hidden. If I go negative, that means everything in the bottom will show and the top will be hidden. So for this example, since I want my control, my bottom layer to show first, I'm going to go negative because I want my negative to be revealed first. So when I press negative, this will go black, meaning that my top layer is being masked by default. It's being masked by this square right here. So I'm going to move a couple of frames over. Let's go right here. And then I'm going to bring in another keyframe. Actually, no, I'm going to bring in a keyframe, but my keyframe will come in by moving. If I move my mask, you can see right here, my move tool is on automatically. If I move it right now, it'll create a keyframe automatically right there, and I can just move it here. You can see the black bars, and I'll go ahead and I'll bring it right here across my nose. All right, so that looks good. Let's go ahead and bring this again. Let's how to do those cool before and after comparison wipes within Vegas Pro. Yeah, just like that. All right, so that looks good. Let's go back to that. And I think I'm going to compensate, and I'll bring it just a little more because I know what's going to happen. My face is going to move. All right, now I'm going to bring over another one, and I'm going to create the same one. I'm going to leave it in the same spot, and I'll press Create Keyframe. Reason being is like this was our default position. This is where our mask comes in, and then we want to keep it the same way all the way until this point, and then we create another keyframe for our exit point. So now, once it's there, I'll bring that all the way out, and it has our exit keyframe. Now, this is not matching the movement of my hand yet. So let's go ahead and I will scrub all the way to the point where I flick my hand to push it away. All right, let's move a little further down. There we go. All right, so this is, okay, that's where I push it away. So I'm going to add this guy right here. He's going to be, oh boy, I lost it. There we go, there's my hand. That's where I push it away. All right, so this frame, the hold frame, is gonna go right here where I start, and immediately after that will be the keyframe of the mask going away. So now if I play it, you will see it'll be our control position, the intro of our mask. It holds all the way through because we have the same animation here, and then it jumps to the exit mask. Let's check it out. Those cool before and after comparison wipes within Vegas Pro. Yeah, just like that. All right, get out of here. That's it. Pretty easy, right? You now got an additional editing tool within your arsenal. So let's review this again. Make your extra track. You're gonna need 2 tracks, one for your control, one for your wipe. Bring it in, add whatever effect you want to. If you're gonna do the easy one, go ahead, use a linear wipe to bring it in and bring it out. If you're gonna do the mask way, have your second track again. Make sure you bring your mask in, cover your section. Use the keyframes to slide it in and slide it out, and also use a positive, negative, depending on your preference on where you want your preferences to be as far as like the showing the mask and not showing the mask as far as the priority of the videos. It all makes sense. But guys, keep practicing, get better and better at this. Use this with other things, be more creative, try different transitions. The more you try it, the better you will get. All right, that's it, guys. As always, if you liked the video, go ahead, leave a like. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions about this or if you do this another way. And also hit me up on my social medias, Low Nose Sort of. And as always, guys, if you're looking for more tips and tricks for anyone else to help you, or if there's anything else you're trying to learn, or if you have any suggestions, hit me up on Discord at Low Nose. As always, guys, I will see you in the next video. You learned something today. See you later. Bye.